How to set a default email account on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up email. So in here, I will open up email. Then tap on the menu button at the top left. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then in email settings, tap on the more button at the top here. Then tap on set default account. And in here, select an account that you would like to use as the default. And then tap on done. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your email inbox or email list. Otherwise, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.